marching into North India, protecting crops, communities and cities. Environmentalists say this order could trigger a chain of collapse. Hotter cities, dirtier air and a future where North India risks being swallowed by desertification.
How do you measure 100 meters height? Like any mountain or any geographical form, when it is measured from mean sea level. Here the order says that it will be measured from the surrounding area. That is not scientific. So how do you measure a mountain or a hill range which is 100 meters? I mean, this is not a very scientific way to measure. It is not recommended, it is not scientific.
Right now, it is one of our biggest water recharging zones. It also looks after the macro and the micro biodiversity of the route that it runs. It's almost a 690 kilometer long range. जो जैसे बताया कि ये 4 स्टेट्स में होता है, तो हर स्टेट का जो उधर का फ्लोरा एंड फौना है उसको नर्चर करता है, ग्राउंड वाटर रिचार्जिंग करता है. सो इट इज़ लाइक अ वॉल also for us which prevents the Thar desert to come into our states. ये हटने से हमारा जैसे डेजर्ट बहुत जल्दी ग्रो करता है, ये डेजर्ट हमारे घरों तक पहुंच जाएगा.
The last 40 years around, the official figure that stands of the hills that have been mined in Rajasthan stands at around 32. And over a period of time, we have already seen, of course, the unofficial numbers are much higher, but already we are seeing, the impact of it in terms of the weather change, the climate change, the pollution, the desertification. If the storms have increased many folds and they've become so much stronger. So just imagine that, these 32 or 35 or whatever number of hills is a very small percentage of the hills in Rajasthan that have been blasted away. And if this order comes into being, we stand to lose 99% of the Aravali's in Haryana, in Rajasthan, and 90% in Haryana.
The lower ridges, now excluded, are not minor hills. They recharge groundwater, control dust, regulate temperature, especially for Delhi NCR now choking for breath. On ground, the damage is visible. Republic at Kotputli in Rajasthan, one of the hit zones.
Let us make you understand. Now, as you see on the other end, that is a mountain in another village. And according to the locals here, this mountain where you can see me standing was also of the same height. But it was actually chopped down, it was actually cut and brought to this height so that later